All right, 958, installing a newer type of charger for my car attachment. All right, to get this off, big pain in the ass, and I've seen a few videos out there, and I think they do a pretty good job explaining it. For whatever reason, I struggled with it. I think a few others as well, and ironically, me tugging and pulling, I actually pulled this piece out and this stayed in because I was just starting to get frustrated. But actually it helped me because then I could see down in there and I started pushing it from the other side. But regardless, I'll try to show you what goes on here. And it takes a little bit of force, but let me see here. So let me get my eyes on it. Where's that little guy? Mr. Flashlight, where are you? Find like little hoops. Let's see. I think Mr. Obvious here. I could have just, while I was struggling, I could have just pushed that in. Look, you can see it. So again, the whole point is to tug that to the right, and that'll flatten that down. And if you're lucky enough, you can pull it out with a little force. Also, I'm not for sure, maybe be able to get a deno tool up there to get that one out. Looks like there's a hole for it. I pulled it out without doing it, so I'm assuming most people don't get that one, but I just wanted to show that one as well. Yeah, I think that would be, I did it without again, so I was lucky, I guess. So probably be better to read the instructions first, but hey, why do that? Now, they show, RENNLINE shows getting 2 of those smaller screwdrivers and squeezing it. So pretty much what I just showed. All right, use a T27 to remove these 2 mounting screws. With the supplied ball, you're going to install this puppy. And it gives you an Allen head screw, Allen head wrench, and I guess screw as well, and attach it here, where the, I guess that flat edge bent 90 degrees is pointing that way towards the radio. I don't think you'd want to do it that way, but we'll double check. I didn't see on the instructions, but it looks like this is flat for a reason, so you need to put a wrench on it. It's probably a good idea when you're tightening this down to push this all the way in. This trim piece won't be needed. I'm quite sure that is the, well, keeps no light coming in from the other side. So it's just like a trim piece. And this will be, this kind of takes place of that. So, put these in. T27, I believe is what it was. Don't think it needs to be super tight. It's like there's a casting there, so if you screw it up, it'll be harder to get it tightened down in the future. So I think we're time to, when reattaching, I just realized, if you see, I don't only have one hand. But you see that little metal tab in the center, that's where it snaps in. So if you push that in, it'll probably pull out a lot easier than trying to rip it out like I did. Gotta make sure you reattach that piece at the top or your vent won't work right. Reattached. All right, just pushed it in after I put that power cord on, I think. All right, job is done. Goes on nice. I don't know if you can hear the beep. I really like this setup. The kid's been really wanting to peel off that sticker. One day it will be peeled off, but I haven't done it yet. I'm very impressed with the kit. It's really nice. It may not be for everyone because it's kind of in the way a little bit, but it really looks like a factory install. Other than, there is wires. I'd probably address that here. The only thing that I was thinking about that actually would be pretty good is I had it while I was waiting for the kit to come in. I originally had it glued on here, and it just kept falling down. It's just too much weight. And but I had it wired up here and just had this bracket set up just laying here. And to be honest, it's a pretty good spot. And I know they sell these trays. I thought about buying the trays and somehow making some kind of setup to set that in. And it actually lays really nice there. So, but I already bought this. It's $55. You're obviously paying for the engineering because, and to be honest, it is really nice kit. It comes with tools. It actually comes with another one of these, just with a magnet and setup. I didn't need that because I'm using this Carmount that has the charger set up. But to be on all, RENNLINE, I think it's put a really nice kit together. They always have very good instructions. I didn't read them, and probably should have opened the box before I started. As always, please subscribe.